Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, review video on the top 5 best cat foods in 2024 for the United States of America. Today, we're diving into the world of whisker-licking goodness as we unveil the creme de la creme of cat cuisine. Paw prints. Whether your furball is a picky connoisseur or a voracious chowhound, we've got you covered. So, grab your catnip tea and let's explore the top contenders. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Open Farm Homestead Turkey Chicken Grain-Free Dry Cat Food. Paw prints. If you're on the hunt for a wholesome and nutritious meal for your feline friend, stick around because we've got the scoop on this farm-to-bowl goodness. Body, farm-raised poultry, sheaf of rice. Picture this, plump turkeys and chickens roaming freely on American farms, basking in the sun and clucking contentedly. Open Farm sources their meat from these happy birds, and guess what? No antibiotics. That's right, 100% certified humane. Your conscience can rest easy knowing your kitty's bowl is filled with goodness. Science-based wellness, microscope. Cats need their protein fix, just like we need our morning coffee. The Homestead Turkey Chicken formula delivers complete protein for muscle growth. Plus, it's packed with prebiotic fiber for a happy tummy. And the taste? Oh, your feline companion will be doing somersaults of joy. Local produce mix, herb. Let's talk about vitamins. Open Farm adds garden-fresh cranberries and dandelion greens to the mix. These superfoods are like a spa day for your cat's urinary tract. No artificial ingredients here, just pure, natural nourishment. Glowing Star, from farm to bowl, fish. Cats are wild at heart, and their taste buds know it. That's why Open Farm puts meat front and center. Say goodbye to grain, corn, wheat, and soy. Instead, they throw in non-GMO pumpkin, carrot, and turmeric. It's like a kitty feast fit for a king. Crown, 100% transparency. Eyes. Ever wondered where your cat's food comes from? Open Farm spills the beans, or should we say kibble. Each ingredient can be traced back to its origin using the lot number on the bag. No mysteries here, just trust and transparency. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. Open Farm Homestead Turkey Chicken Grain-Free Dry Cat Food is more than just a meal, it's a commitment to quality, health, and happy kitties. Your furball deserves the best, and this farm-fresh delight delivers. Meow-tastic. Number 4. The Dave's Pet Food Grain-Free Wet Cat Food. If you've been on the hunt for a wholesome, nutritious meal for your furball, stick around because we've got the perfect dish to discuss. Body, 95% meat, limited ingredients. Dave's Pet Food Grain-Free Wet Cat Food boasts an impressive 95% meat content. That's right, folks, this isn't your run-of-the-mill cat slop. With simple, high-quality ingredients, it's ideal for our feline friends with sensitive tummies or allergies. Say goodbye to mystery fillers and hello to pure, protein-packed goodness. Added vitamins, minerals, flavor and nutrition take center stage in Dave's nutrient-dense recipe. Your cat won't just tolerate this food, they'll be licking their whiskers in delight. Plus, those essential vitamins and minerals? They're like a daily vitamin for your kitty, ensuring they stay healthy and happy. Made in Canada, reasonable price. Dave's mission is crystal clear: provide scrumptious, high-quality cat food without breaking the bank. Made in the Great White North, Canada, this brand combines the best of domestic and imported ingredients. So, whether your cat's a maple syrup enthusiast or not, they'll appreciate the care that goes into each can. No grain, artificial flavors, colors, or carrageenan, grain-free? Check. No artificial nonsense? Double check. Dave's naturally healthy products steer clear of wheat, gluten, and any other ingredients that sound like they belong in a chemistry lab. Instead, they focus on what cats would munch on in the wild. It's like a mini safari for their taste buds. Feeding directions: here's the scoop. For every 5 pounds of your cat's majestic fluffiness, serve up 1 can of Dave's Pet Food grain-free wet cat food. Make sure it's at room temperature, because nobody likes cold paté, and refrigerate any leftovers. Oh, and keep that water bowl filled. It's the key to a hydrated, content kitty. Conclusion: in a world full of cat food options, Dave's Pet Food grain-free wet cat food stands out like a Siamese in a room full of tabbies. It's the real deal, no gimmicks, no fluff, unless your cat sheds a lot, in which case, we've got a brush recommendation. So, go ahead, treat your fur baby to a taste of Canada's finest. Number 3. The Dave's Pet Food grain-free wet cat food. If you're a fur parent who wants the best for your whiskered companion, stick around because we've got some purr-worthy insights. Body, added vitamins, minerals, 50 words. Let's talk nutrition. Dave's Pet Food knows that a healthy cat is a happy cat. Their grain-free wet cat food is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, ensuring your feline friend gets the goodness they deserve. Plus, the flavor? Oh, it's a feline fiesta. Made in the USA, support local. Dave's mission is crystal clear: provide top-notch cat food made right here in the USA. No overseas mystery ingredients, just wholesome goodness sourced from trusted suppliers. Your cat will feel like a true patriot with every bite. No grain, artificial flavors, colors. Say goodbye to grain-induced tummy troubles. Dave's naturally healthy formula skips the wheat and wheat gluten, making it ideal for sensitive kitties. And guess what? No artificial flavors or colors either. It's like a gourmet meal straight from nature. Feeding directions: portion control matters. For your 6 to 8 pound fur ball, serve up half a can of Dave's grain-free wet cat food per day. Remember, room temperature is the way to go, and any leftovers should chill in the fridge. Hydration? Covered. Fresh water, always. AFCO approval: Dave's Pet Food doesn't play games when it comes to quality. Their grain-free wet cat food meets the nutritional standards set by the AAFCO cat food nutrient profiles. Translation? Your cat's health is in good hands, or should we say paws? Conclusion: alright, cat crew, that wraps up our review of Dave's Pet Food grain-free wet cat food. From vitamins to USA pride, this brand checks all the boxes. Number 2. The review of Open Farm's RawMix Prairie recipe for cats. Paw prints, body, humanely sourced poultry, chicken, turkey. Open Farm takes pride in sourcing their ingredients responsibly. Their RawMix features a blend of 100% animal welfare certified chicken and turkey. No mystery meat here. You'll find nutrient-dense meat, organ, and bone, all without any grains or byproducts. Your kitty deserves the best, right? RawMix goodness. Fork and knife with plate. What's in the bowl? Well, it's a whole prey diet extravaganza. Think nutrient-packed meats, organs, bones, and even bone broth. Plus, they've sprinkled in some freeze-dried raw chunks that'll have your cat doing happy little paw dances. Paw prints. Rewilding your cat's palate herb. If you've ever wondered what your cat's wild ancestors dined on, RawMix is like a culinary time machine. It's protein-focused, just like a wild diet, and the added freeze-dried raw gives that extra oomph. Perfect for curious pet parents who want to dip their toes into raw nutrition without diving headfirst. Leopard. Quality and sustainability. Globe showing America's Open Farm believes that great nutrition starts with integrity. Their meat, organs, and bones come from third-party animal welfare certified farms. These farmers share Open Farm's commitment to exceptional quality and sustainable practices. So, not only are you nourishing your fur ball, but you're also supporting family farms and the environment. Win-win. Seedling. Conclusion: in a world where transparency matters, Open Farm delivers. With RawMix, you can trace every ingredient back to its source using the lot number on the bag. Because knowing where your pet's food comes from shouldn't be a mystery, it should be a delightful journey. Glowing star. Number 1. The SHEBA Perfect Portions Paid Wet Cat Food Trays. If you've been searching for a convenient, high-quality cat food option, stick around because we've got the perfect scoop for you. Body, the basics. SHEBA Perfect Portions Paid is designed for both adult and senior cats. These twin-pack trays offer precise portions, so no more messy leftovers. Plus, they're grain-free and free from artificial flavors or preservatives. Meow-tastic. Flavorful variety. Imagine your cat's delight when they feast on 3 delectable entrees, savory chicken, delicate salmon, and more. The light texture and irresistible flavors will have your furball doing a happy dance. Portion control made easy. Say goodbye to guesswork. Each tray contains 2 servings, making it a breeze to feed your cat exactly what they need. No more wastage or overfeeding, just snap, peel, and serve. Nutrition breakdown. These trays are 100% complete and balanced, enriched with vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. The protein content is almost entirely animal-based, which is a big thumbs up for our feline friends. Our verdict: SHEBA Perfect Portions Paid gets a solid 3 stars from the Cat Food Advisor. While the ingredients include a gourd gum binder, not ideal, the overall nutritional content and affordability make it a great choice for your whiskered companion. Conclusion. So there you have it, cat aficionados. SHEBA Perfect Portions Paid Wet Cat Food Trays, convenient, tasty, and designed to keep your fur baby purring with delight. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.